Good morning, everyone. Come spend a real day with me as a mom of two, no filter, just real life. This is how my morning usually starts before the kids even wake up. I'm already thinking about the breakfast, school days, and the whole day ahead. If you're a mom, you understand this part. Getting kids ready is like a small morning marathon. People say stay at home moms don't work. But look at this, the work never really ends. And the funny part is that the house can be clean for only 5 minutes before the kids turn it upside down again. If you're a mom watching this, tell me in the comments what is the hardest part of your morning. Sometimes being a mom is exhausting, but it's these little moments with my kids make everything worth it. Thank you for spending the day with me. If you are still watching this, please watch to the end and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you for partaking in this journey of mine. See you on my next video. Ciao, ciao. If you do, boo, 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 I swallow it. It's time for school runs. I'm getting ready to go and bring my daughter from school. I'm almost late. Time to go and pick my daughter from school. Oh my goodness! So to be a mom is not an easy job, honestly. It looks very simple to answer mommy, but the work there is something else. La, la, la. Bright is still sleeping. My boy is still sleeping. I got to wake him up since I'm back. Are you ready? All right, let's go. We're almost late. Ciao, ciao, ciao. See you later. I'm late today. I'm almost to my daughter's school. Honestly, I went late today. I really went late today. Ooh. Right. Let's go and pick big sister from school. Mm, mm, mm. Blah, blah. Let's go. Just be coming. Be coming. Your teacher put what on your hand? Let me see. What is this? Nails on your hand. Why?
Because you never told me that.
No, you're going to remove it when we get home now, okay?
Okay.
It's not good. You have first. On the light. We are at home. Are we going? We going now? Right. Careful. Careful. Don't injure yourself, okay?